I come your way again with Pasco Made Easy with Senana. And in this video, we are looking at core mathematics. We are considering how we can solve some past questions for WASI. And specifically, we are considering sets. Remember to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you can get all videos on time. So let's consider the question. You will need this when you are studying sets in any level, and then we are considering sets. This is for you. So the question says that in a class of 50 students, 24 like football, 21 basketball, and 18 cricket, 6 like football and basketball only, 3 like basketball only, 5 like all 3 games, and 14 do not like any of the 3 games. Now, we have to illustrate the information on the Venn diagram, and then we have to find the number of students who like football and cricket only, and exactly one of the games. So now let's consider how we can solve this question. So basically, we know that when you are given a question like this, you are supposed to write out the information in a set notation form. So we know that the union is equal to 50, right? And this represents the number of students in class. So we are basically looking at the number of students in class. And then we have 24 like football. So F is equal to 24. We can put that as football. And then we have 21 like basketball. So basketball, you can represent that with B. Right. Then we have that one as 21. Let me clean this side. Right. And then we also have, so this basketball. Then we also have some students who like cricket. So C represent cricket. And how many are they? They are 18. So this cricket. Good. So now the question also says that 6 like football and basketball only. So F intersection B only is equal to 6, right? And then it also says that 3 like basketball only. So basketball only is equal to 3. And then 5 like all the 3 games, right? So basketball intersection football intersection cricket is equal to 5. And then there are also some students who do not like any of the 3 games. So 14 do not like any of the 3 games. So that can be B union F union C or prime, right? And those are 14. Or we can also write that as B prime intersection F prime intersection C prime. Right now, we would be able to draw our Venn diagram now. So let's draw a Venn diagram. So we have our Venn diagram. Now the Venn diagram should contain 3 circles where we can have the ball one. And because we have all 3, they would overlap each other and have an intersection, right? So it means that we can let this side be B, and that's 21. This is F, that is 24. And then this is C, that is 18, right? So the circles could be anywhere. Our basketball could have been here, now football could have been there, right? So all 3 is 5, so we can put that here. And then our B only is 3, so that will be here, B only. And then we have our F intersection B only, so F intersection B is here, only is here, so that is 6. So we see the difference. This one is only, so it represents those that are just here, right? If they say F intersection B, they would have subtracted it from the 5, right? And then we also have B intersection F intersection C, which we've covered for it. And then we have B union F union C prime, which is outside here, which is 14. So we can represent the rest with variables. So let's call this A, let's call this side B, C, and D, right? So when we consider the basketball, right? So the region for basketball, we can see that 21 is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 5, right? And then plus A. So you can find A. We know 21 is equal to 3 plus 6 gives us 9. 9 plus 5 gives us 14 plus A, right? So A is equal to 21 minus 14. So A is equal to 7, right? So it means that the A column here is 7. So once we have A, we should be able to get probably crickets. So for the column for crickets, we can have A is 7 now, so 7 plus 5 plus B plus C is equal to 18. So we have B plus C plus 12, right? 5 plus 7 gives us 12. It's equal to 18. So it means that B plus C should be equal to 18 minus 12. And now B plus C is equal to 6. So we can call this an equation. Let's call it equation 1. And then we can also have the football region. So let's have the football region here. So we can have football, where football is this region, right? So the region here. So that includes 6 plus 5 plus C plus D, right? Is equal to 24. So we have 11 plus C plus D is equal to 24. So our C plus D will be equal to 24 minus 11. So our C plus D is equal to 13, right? So we can call this equation 2. So now we have two equations, right? We have one equation in terms of B plus C, and then we have another equation in terms of C plus D. So now we need to also get another equation so that we can be able to go through the process of actually trying to solve the second. So when we consider this, we can take this C out, right? Because we know the value of C here. The value of C is 18. So we can have 18 plus the D here plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 50, right? That's when we add our 14 outside here. So when we take this, right, which is 18, and then we add the outside here, which is the non-14 here, and then we add all these ones, D plus 6 plus 30 is equal to the union set here, which is our 50, right? So we can find D. It means that 14 plus 18 will give us 32, plus 6 will give us 38, plus 3 will give us 41. So 41 plus D is equal to 50, right? So our D is equal to 50 minus 41. So our D is equal to 9. So it means that the D here is 9, right? And we have gotten our A already as 7. So using D, we should be able to find from equation 2, we should be able to find our C, right? So C plus D, D is 9, is equal to 13, right? C is equal to 13 minus 9. So C is equal to 4. So our C here is 4 as well. And then we can also get our A now, right? Because we've gotten our D, right, as our 9. We've gotten our C as 4. And then we already have our A as 7, right? So probably it's B that we are left with. Let's find our B. So we know that from B plus C is equal to 6, right? So we have B plus C is equal to 6, right? And we know our C is equal to 4. So B plus 4 is equal to 6. So our B is equal to 6 minus 4. And it means our B is also 2, right? So we have our B, which is here, right? That is also 2 here. So now that we have all the regions, we should be able to answer the rest of the question. So if we've gotten our diagram, we've been able to get all our regions. Now our II is asking us to find the number of students who like football and cricket only, right? So this represents football only. So football and cricket only. So this is football, this is cricket, right? When we put them together, the only is the C here, right? So we can say that for II, right? Alpha, football and cricket only is equal to 4, right? And then our beta is asking us to find exactly one of the games. So we want to find exactly the basketball only, then exactly the football only, and exactly the cricket only. So that is 3 plus 9, which gives us 12, plus 2, which will end up giving us 14, right? So 3 plus 9, which is 12, plus 2, 14. So it means that 14 like exactly one of the two games, right? One of the two games. So basically, questions like this, you realize that there will be questions that will be a full question that will require that you solve and get probably 12 marks or full marks for it. And basically, when you are looking at it, these are essay type questions. So you go through the process of actually describing them in terms of the notation, and then you draw your Venn diagram as if indicated. You find your variables that we don't have, then you use that to be able to solve the rest of the questions. Remember that you will like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In our next lesson or question, we'll look at another type of question or set.